Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the booking in the trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the My Trips button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the Add Booking button. And first you have to select the type of booking that you want to make. So if you want to book a hotel, then you have to select the hotel's name first. And then the check-in date. And then the checkout date as well. And then just click on the confirm button, and then just click on the add my stay button, and as you can see it is added to your trips. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.